you. This same woman has been coming to the king over the weeks and over the days. All of a sudden, something changed. What changed was because there was a presence of an advocate. The Bible says Jesus, who is our advocate, he speaketh on your behalf right before the Father. If you don't believe that, read Isaiah chapter 53 and verse 5. The Bible says he was wounded for your transgressions. He was bruised because of your iniquities. Everything that you did was done, was erased by the things that he had to suffer. In actual fact, 1 Corinthians 6 and verse 20 says, you were bought with a price. He paid the price with his blood. And that's why I came to announce to somebody here this morning that the judge who is seated on the throne sent me here to tell you that my pronunciation and my declaration to you this morning is that you shall be restored. The declaration is that restoration